Okay, a survey was conducted among 112 learners about their use of Instagram, which is I, the Twitter, which is T, and WhatsApp on the cell phone. The survey revealed the following: 8 uses all three, 12 uses Twitter and Instagram and Twitter, 5 uses Twitter and WhatsApp but not Instagram, X uses Instagram and Twitter but Instagram and WhatsApp but not Twitter, 61 uses Instagram, 19 uses Twitter, 73 uses WhatsApp, 14 use none of the applications. So now 10.1, draw the Venn diagram. Let's say the information above. Then now to draw the Venn diagram, must draw the rectangle. This is the rectangle drawn here. Okay, now I'm going to use, because we're talking about Twitter, Instagram, Twitter, and WhatsApp. Because now they didn't tell us about anything on this, whether intersection or not. All the circles should intersect. So let's start with the first circle. The first circle here, we call it Instagram. The second circle, we'll call it Twitter. The third circle, I'll call it WhatsApp. So now remember the sample here, total number, it's 100. So what do we focus on? Only this part, it's those who are doing everything. The rest, it's where we put only. So if they didn't say only, we don't put the number on the Venn diagram, or neither. Remember, 14 use none, so this side is 14. Knowing that now, if 14 is doing none, how many are using the one of these? Should be 100 minus 14, so which is 86. That means that we are dealing with here. We're going to divide this into 86. 86 learners are using one of these. So now let's start. We know that 8 uses all. This way we put our 8. Who uses all? Check how many are on Instagram. Okay, 61 they're on Instagram. So here there's 61. Total of this is 61. How many on Twitter? 19 is on Twitter. How many on WhatsApp? 73 uses WhatsApp. They didn't say they use WhatsApp only, that they're using WhatsApp. So out of the 73, 8 uses Instagram and Twitter. Out of 61, 8 uses WhatsApp and Twitter. Out of this 19, 8 uses Instagram and WhatsApp. Now they said 12 uses Instagram and Twitter. So now we'll get to that. But 5 uses Twitter and WhatsApp but not Instagram. So this is Twitter and WhatsApp only, because they're not on Instagram. How many are they? They're 5. So it's where we have what? It's where we have Twitter and WhatsApp, which is 5. Okay, and X uses Instagram and WhatsApp but not Twitter. X uses Instagram and WhatsApp but not Twitter. So here we have that X. And now they said now 12 uses Instagram and Twitter. 12. So Instagram and Twitter is supposed to be 12. So here out of this 12, 8 uses WhatsApp. So how many are using Instagram and Twitter only? We know that it should be 4. If 4, it should be 4. So if we add this here, remember I said we only deal with the only. So this part here, it is Twitter and Instagram. Is it Twitter or is Instagram and Twitter? That is the Instagram and Twitter. That is 12, but they didn't say only. They said they use that. Out of these 12 here, 4 of them, divide 4 of them uses this only. They don't use WhatsApp, but 8 uses both. So WhatsApp. So all of these will give us what? 19 in this case. So we have 8 plus 4 plus 5. Already out of 19, 17 is here. So we are left with 2. So there we have 2 who are using this. So this is 2 uses Twitter only. Now they said 73 uses WhatsApp. Okay, now that's how 73 that uses WhatsApp. Let's check how many are using WhatsApp only. Then we're gonna have 8 plus 5, which is 13. So we have 73 minus 13, which is 60. So we have 60 minus X uses WhatsApp only. Then now here we are going to have 61 minus 12, which is 49. 49 minus X uses Instagram only. I think we've done justice with that. 61, 61. Okay, they say determinant we've used there. That's our Venn diagram here. Now they say calculate the value of x. Now what will be the value of x in this case? Now remember that what is happening here, if we're going to add everything, you must give us 100. When we add only this in the circles, should give us 86. So let's see, we're going to say 49 minus x plus 60 minus x plus 8 plus 5 plus 4 plus 2 should give us 36. We're adding those in the circle, so this inside the circle give us 36. So now we see that this circle x will give us 0. So in this case of 49 plus 60 plus 8 plus 5 plus 4 plus 2, which this give us 128 minus x is equals to 86. So you should confirm with the calculation of the numbers. It's 49 plus 60 plus 8 plus 5 plus 2. Then now our negative x is 86 minus 128. So 86 minus 128, which is negative 42. So negative x equals negative 42 by negative 1 divided by negative 1. So x is equals to 42. So if x is 42, so here we're 42. 60 minus 42 is 18. Here with 18. So 49 minus 42, I think here we'll have 7. Okay. Now 10.3. Calculate the probability that the learner choosing RAM uses only one of these. Only one. So not one or more, only one. So which ones are only one? 7 uses only Instagram. 2 uses only Twitter. 18 uses only WhatsApp. So now in 10.3, this is our 10. So 10.3, we're going to, they're talking about the probability now. It's 7 plus 18 plus 2 divided by 100, total number of learners. So 7 plus this is 27. So we have what? 27 over 100, which is maybe 2, 0.27. This is probability 0.7. That's the probability we are looking for.